Hey guys, Rocket Car Man here. So I got something special. This little guy. Hobby Plus, adventure ready, 1/18 scale crawler. What? That's a 1/18 scale. This one's actually pretty hard to get. Retails $141, I think, right now. Pretty awesome. So it's actually awesome. This is so awesome. Lights, three really nice steering, waterproof, everything. Upgradable component, came with hard shocks. So let's take it to the course. Let's take it to the course and get her all sorted out here. And yeah, let's get those lights back on. It's all charged up, ready to go. So nicely made. Pretty expensive but worth it. Let me get this sorted. See you at the track. Oh, I forgot the controller. Sweet. Lights are on.